May summer trip ka na pero may sira ang ngipin mo. Hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng ilang linggo para maayos. One of the reason people delay dental treatment is because they think it takes many visits. Pero ngayon, marami ng treatment ang pwedeng gawin in just one visit or two. Meaning, you can fix a certain dental issue before your summer trip even begins. Mas magandang bumiyahe nang wala kang iniisip na toothache o discomfort habang kumakain. At walang kaba na baka sumakit ang ngipin mo sa bakasyon. Because nothing ruins a vacation faster than a dental pain. If you have a trip coming up, visit us at Bukal Vision and Smile Rehab and ask about the treatment that can be done in just one visit.
Bukal